Hello everybody, today we got a Supreme haul, nice and expensive, spend all my money, you know, but these items I actually really wanted, so I'm very excited for this, and to show you guys what it's like, so let's jump right into this unboxing. It's not a box, but that's okay, it's the same thing, unbagging. Okay, so for this Supreme haul, spent a good buck, you know. First item, I got some Supreme Hanes tank tops. Hopefully they're a little bit better quality just because they're made for Supreme. 100% cotton, made in India. Nice. And, yeah. Comes with 3 tank tops with the little Supreme logo on them. The Supreme packaging. Very cool. I've never tried the Hanes Supreme stuff. So, yeah, let's see if it's more comfortable. And I've never tried the Hanes tank tops. And I don't really like the Hanes shirts that much, but let's see. See about these, see if these are comfortable and good. They say comfort guarantee, so if they're not comfortable, then maybe they'll give me my money back, you know? We'll see about that. Next, I had to cop this shirt. It looked so fresh. Just a simple, small box logo tee. The color did look better on mine, but yeah, I don't know, lately I just have a thing for like this light, like lavender, like color. Like, I think it's probably one of my favorite colors. I just love lavender. Like iris, lavender, you know. Super dope tee. This thing was super expensive, so I hope it's really good quality and I hope it lasts and stays good quality. This is the small box logo tee in lavender. Lavender is like my favorite color, like I was saying, and I don't think I have any lavender clothing really, but this will go really good with the pair of Jordans I have, and like it'll also go great with a few outfits. And then we got this really cool just Supreme bag with it. Very good quality Supreme bag. It's just like a nice thick bag with the Supreme logo on it. Very nice, good quality. Ooh, they sent me 2 box logo stickers. Not so bad. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I'll have to think of some creative spots to put the stickers. That's pretty nice. Love to see that. What else? Oh yes, I got this Supreme lighter holder, which fits Bic lighters. That's kind of lame. I thought it was like, I don't know why I was thinking it would fit a clipper, but oh well, it'll fit clippers. And yeah, I just have like it's called a Carabiner lighter case and bottle opener. Oh yeah, I see that. And it's a bottle opener too. So yeah, I can just attach this to my like handbag and just have a nice little bonus attachment to it. Pretty cool, pretty sick. It's got that blue aesthetic going, that blue colorway. All my stuff's gonna be nice and matching. It's gonna look super cool. Very nice. My accessory collection is gonna be looking fire. Like, I love all the matching blue. It's so sick. And this is the last item, right? No more stickers, just the 2 box logos, which is okay. And a shipping bag. Lastly, this colorway also does look a bit different in person. I thought it was gonna be more like pink than like salmon-y. I got these zip-off cargo pants because, as you can see, I'm wearing a pair of the ACG zip-offs, and it's just like a really good investment because you can wear them in the summer or in the winter as either shorts or pants. So it's like you get like kind of like it's like a 2-for-1, and I usually find there's like good quality. I like cargos, so yeah. I'll open those up after too. Let's look at these pants. Smells like a factory. Smells like a balloon or something. Like a bunch of balloons, like a pack of balloons. Okay, we got a little bit of threading going on. You get apparently Oh yeah, that's a nice like durable logo. Maybe it's reflective too. Like the description said it was like some like durable something. I forget what they called, like triple layer or like something like that. It's got a zipper on the back with the Supreme on it. That's very nice. It's got like tan accents around the pockets. Nice size waistband by the look of it with drawstrings on it. Very cool. It's got the nice just pockets on the front. It's a nice like canvasy material, which I didn't really expect. I didn't know what the material was gonna be like. I thought it was gonna be more like these, which or like no, I thought it was just gonna be more like a track pant material. But these are like very canvasy. Like these are gonna be super comfy, like more of like a chill pants even. But they look like super big. Like definitely might need to dry these. Made in China, Supreme, medium. Hopefully they're not too big. Hopefully I can just like shrink them and they'll be fine. Get a YKK zipper on here. And button. Nice little Velcro pockets. Regular hand pockets. It's kind of lame. No zippers on the hand pockets. That's what I mean. They are just like a very like casual pants. I thought they're going to be very like utility and heavy duty, but I was wrong. They're more casual for sure. Damn it. Just like very expensive for what you get, whereas like you can pay the same price for Supreme and it's just like for ACG and it's a more utility quality. But you know, can't go wrong with Supreme. We'll see how it looks when we try it on and everything. Very excited for that. Hopefully it goes with some outfits. Hopefully it's like staple in the wardrobe. That's what I'm always looking for. It's like pieces that they're just like staples. That's what I like. I can wear all the time. They're comfy. They look good. All around. Wear them for photo shoots, wear them in chilling. It's like that's the kind of clothing I really like. Like that's why I like skater clothing. It looks good and it's good to chill in. Okay. Ooh, this large looks big. Smells like a new Nike shoe. Yeah, their factory smell is interesting. It's like kind of like fresh but like it's like a fresh factory smell. It's like smells like sneakers-ish almost. Okay, so we got a Supreme large tee, 100% cotton, made in Vietnam. What the heck is with this little tag at the top? What is that about? I didn't think the t-shirts had that. That looks annoying. I thought it would have just like an inner like side tag or something. This thing looks giant also. Here we go, machine wash, do not bleach, tumble dry low. So yeah, I might need to, see. If you guys want to see the close-up, I always put a preview at the end of the video, so you can go check that out. I always do a preview up with flashlights, close-up of all the materials and textures and all that stuff, so make sure to go and look at that if you want to see the details, like all the tags and stuff. But yeah, this thing's actually like very big, but I just like didn't know what size to get, so I just went with the large. I always like to have a bigger fit anyways. Looks like pretty nice. Looks like it could be a bit like darker, brighter of a purple, like a more brighter like lavender color, more contrast, but I still like it a lot. Maybe it'll look better in the lighting. I just hope it fits well. It looks sick though. It looks like really good quality. Maybe a bit overpriced. Like the t-shirts are hella overpriced. That's probably why they didn't go out of stock. But I wanted to just get one for the summer. Thought I may as well finally get a box logo item, Yeah, that's all my Supreme stuff. Stay till the end to see me try it on and then for the preview. And make sure to like and subscribe to support. This takes a lot of work and a lot of money. But I do enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy my lifestyle too. And if you do, then yeah, subscribe to support. Comment what you think, like. Yeah, hopefully I can keep doing this. That's the goal, but I am getting pretty broke, so it's tough, but I'll keep grinding for you guys no matter what. It's what I like to do. Stay tuned. Peace out, everybody. Damn, that's so big.
Spend 10 bands on my mic and jeans, that's your man that you coming home with me. Cop, I'm locking it up. Top, cause I don't wanna fuck. Back in Molly's hands, make me do right. Bitch, you by my side when I'm too high. It's too much, I mean, I drop too late for the base. Cop, double it up. Drop, don't fuck up. Space and fans on my Mary J's, that's your man that you coming home with me. Cop, I just double it up. Top, cause I don't wanna fuck.
These are fire shorts.
I wish you knew how I felt. You're still in my dreams, I'm kissing your mouth. It's my fault, I know why you left. Thinking that I'm better off dead, trying to keep it. I hate that I miss you still. I fucked up, now I'm inside hell. I thought everything is inside now. I miss you now, I'm swallowing my sins. Straight from across the pond to fight this sin. I think you're the piece of my puzzle that's missing. I would say I love you, baby, but it's a fact. But I just need somebody.
Ooh, it fits perfect. Oh, it's comfy. So we got these Hanes. How do we open it? Just rip the top. Made in the Supreme factory. This isn't what I wanted though. I didn't want a tight tank top. I wanted actual tank tops, like loose tank tops.